What are proper portion sizes for toddlers and preschoolers? Ideal meal amounts.
We do have some general guidelines that are worked out by dietitians and food scientists. And for toddlers, being young children between ages 1 to 3, we typically say for each food type, so whether it's a fruit, a vegetable, a type of meat or rice, we want to aim for about 2 tablespoons of that particular food. 2 tablespoons of rice, 2 tablespoons of beans, 2 tablespoons of apple slicing. For a snack, you would probably go for maybe 4 tablespoons of food. For a meal, you would double it. And then how many foods were there would be your choice. And with preschoolers, we usually just say about half of what an adult would eat. It usually ends up being about a half a cup. So half a cup of cooked grains, half of a fruit, half of a bagel, half a cup of cooked oatmeal, what you would eat in half for a meal. That's just sort of a guideline, certainly not something I would expect anyone to actually measure out in tablespoons. Gives you an indication of size of their stomach, how much they can handle, what would be typical for a normally developing child to eat.